Okay, we just concluded our morning trading. I want to do a recap of the AM trading. Well, first of all, did something pretty cool is I was able to pass a 300K account this morning here. Needed 177 bucks. Got it over the hump of the 320,000. This was the performance of that trade, and this was the performance of the account since the beginning. My very first trade, I actually had a loss. I was like, great. And then you just stay consistent, stay in it, and boom, you pass the account with good management of losers. That's just so key, is good management with losers. Okay, so that was awesome. All right, so this morning in the pre-market video, the AM briefing video, I left you with these levels: Asia high, London high, and then these three levels here, including the Monday's afternoon pullback and the bull bear line. And then let's look to see what actually happened during the day. Did we ping pong the levels? Did the levels bounce? That's really the key. Did the levels bounce? Bounce there for sure. Bounce here off the afternoon pullback. Bounce here off the bottom of that. And did the bull bear line prove to be the bull bear line? You betcha. And then I want you to notice what happened, which is cool too. Price went up, then it came back and retested the afternoon pullback line. Isn't that cool? And then price came up here. Did it bounce off the London high? Yes. Did it bounce off the Asia high? Yes. Everything bounced.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
But the thing I was most proud of is this. I made my money in this area. I made it all pre-market. In fact, the short right here is the short that passed my 300K account. I was interested in that short because we had yet to hit the bull bear line. I wanted to be short here to go back to the bull bear line. We haven't hit that magnet yet.
Aha!
Once we hit the magnet, I told my traders, right here, short game is over.
Game over.
We are now looking for evidence of laddering up and going long. Price actually did not give us the opportunity, except on a 30-second chart. With our core strategy on a 30-second chart, you would have been in that long, but I wasn't on the 30-second chart at that moment. We were on the 1 minute looking for evidence of laddering up and entering long. Here was our goal. Our goal was to enter long there. Why was that our goal to enter there? Well, I'm going to show you our ranges. So this range has been on my chart for a long time. And look how well the range played. You know, it was funny. One guy, dang, I wish I'd have screenshotted it. He said, George, people are going to say you photoshopped that in there. No, it's been there. And it's just, that's where it worked. So what I was looking for is I was looking for us to pop back up into here. The way I outlined it to the group, I said, I want it to pop up here. I want it to come back, and I'm going to go long off the bottom of the range for it to go back to the top of the range. And it did that, but I wasn't in the trade. So, oh, well, we don't chase. I did try one long somewhere up in here, but it just didn't do. Price did not behave in the way that I needed it to behave. So the thing I was most happy is here we were saying the short game is over. Why? Big magnet taken. When do we know the short game is back on? When we take this out. I mean, take it out. Not wick it. Take it out. And so we saw the day really well. I'm very happy with my shorts here and just wasn't able to participate in that. Called it well, but just didn't give me the right entry. Oh well, you don't need every trade. Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.